My name is Sweksha Bhadauria, Teaching Associate in Rama University from Faculty of Juridical Sciences. Today, I will discuss the topic that is Introduction of Jurisprudence. In the introduction of jurisprudence, I will discuss the meaning of jurisprudence, definition of jurisprudence, nature of jurisprudence, scope of jurisprudence, and last but not the least, that is schools of jurisprudence. Firstly, I will discuss meaning of jurisprudence. The term jurisprudence is derived from the Latin term that is jurisprudentia. The term jurisprudentia is divided into two parts. The first one is juris and the another one is prudentia. The term juris means law or we can say legal, and the another term prudentia means study or knowledge. So, the meaning of the term jurisprudence is study or knowledge of law. Jurisprudence covers the whole body of legal principle in the world. So, next I will discuss the definitions of jurisprudence. So, first, many of the jurists give the different definitions of the term jurisprudence, but I will discuss only the very eminent jurist. So, the first jurist is John Austin. According to John Austin, jurisprudence is the philosophy of positive law. Austin divided the jurisprudence into two parts. The first one is general jurisprudence and the another one is particular jurisprudence. In general jurisprudence, jurisprudence is the philosophy of positive law, and in particular jurisprudence, jurisprudence is the science of any such system of positive law. So this is the definition of the John Austin, but many of the jurists criticize the definition of the John Austin, and these jurists said that jurisprudence is not the philosophy of positive law. So the next definition is given by the Holland, and Holland said that jurisprudence is the formal science of positive law. So this definition is also criticized by the many of the jurists, and these jurists said that jurisprudence is the formal science of positive law. That is okay, but what is formal science? So Holland cannot define the term formal science. So the next jurist is Salmond. According to Salmond, jurisprudence can be divided into two parts. The first one is generic sense and the another one is specific sense. In generic sense, jurisprudence can be defined as a science of civil law, and in specific sense, jurisprudence as the science of the first principle of civil law. So this definition is given by the Salmond. Next definition is given by the Keaton. According to Keaton, jurisprudence is the study and the systematic arrangement of the general principle of law. So this definition is the very best definition present till now. So next I will discuss the nature of jurisprudence. In the nature of jurisprudence, nature को start करने से पहले firstly I can ask you one question कि what is law? So according to law, different peoples के according जो law है उसका जो meaning है वो different हो सकता है. So अगर हम नेचर की बात करें jurisprudence की, तो सबसे पहले आ जाता है नेचर में कि jurisprudence is a very different subject because jurisprudence cannot be a substantive and cannot be a procedural. Substantive like jurisprudence cannot be like a IPC subject, and procedural like not a CRPC and not like a CPC. So the jurisprudence is not a codified subject like IPC. Next, jurisprudence is the mainstream of whole law from where the different law originated. जो jurisprudence है ये एक main law है जहाँ से कि सारे जो laws हैं वो originate होते हैं. Next है jurisprudence being an ever growing and dynamic subject has no limitation on itself. जो jurisprudence है इसका जो subject है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा wide है और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा wider subject है, इसकी कोई भी जो limitation है वो नहीं है. नेक्स्ट आई विल डिस्कस द स्कोप ऑफ jurisprudence. जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया कि जो jurisprudence का जो सब्जेक्ट है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा वाइड है, इसकी कोई भी जो लिमिटेशन है वो नहीं है. इसका जो स्कोप है इस पर कमेंट किया है जस्टिस PV मुखर्जी ने, और उन्होंने कहा jurisprudence is both an intellectual and idealistic abstraction as well as the behavioral study of man in society, and it includes political, social, economic, cultural ideas, and it covers the study of man in relation to society. So this is the scope of the jurisprudence. Next is schools of jurisprudence. There are 6 schools of jurisprudence. The first one is natural school, second one is philosophical, third one is historical, and fourth one is analytical, and fifth one is realistic, and sixth one is socialistic. इन सभी स्कूल्स में बेसिकली यही बताया गया है कि जो लॉ है वो क्या है, जो लॉ है वो क्या होना चाहिए, और जो लॉ है वो क्या हो सकता है. बाकी इन सारे स्कूल्स को हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.